Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here and I am back with another video. So welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new. If you like what you see here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a video. Today's video is going to be a frequently asked questions about my locks. So I'm basically just going to be answering some of the questions I get on an almost daily basis regarding Miss Lola here. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. So I have all my questions written down here. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. And let's just get right into it. So the first question I get is, how long have I been locked? I have been locked officially for 22 months. Now next month, April 22nd, will mark 2 years since I started my lock journey. I really can't believe it's been that long. The time really did just fly by, but yes, it will be 2 years next month. The next question I get is, who is my loctician? Me. I self-started and self-maintained my own locks. Even before I started my lock journey, when I was natural, I really didn't like people in my hair. So I went to YouTube University and I learned all the tips and tricks I needed to do my hair. And that's how I started my lock journey. The next question is, how long did it take for my install? It took me 3 days to install these locks. 3 days. And it was really me working in sections throughout the day, a couple of hours here, a couple of hours there. It wasn't me just sitting down for 3 days. I have kids. I, had a lot of things that I had to do. So it took about 3 days, but it was well worth it. The next question I get is, what method did I use to start my locks? I started my locks with 2-strand twists. I like the idea of having a 2-strand twist. I thought that they would be easier, and plus, since I'm so used to rocking twists on my natural hair anyway, I thought it would be interesting to see how they would transform into locks over time. The next question is, how do I maintain my locks? Like I said, I self-maintain my locks, and I do so by interlocking. I retie my locks every 4 to 5 weeks, and I use the 4-point lock rotation. The next question is, how long does it take for me to retie? Now, at first, when I started my lock journey, it took me so long to retie my hair, but now I've actually gotten the hang of it. It can take anywhere between 2 to 3 days, depending on, what I have to do during those days. But mostly it's about 3 days. One of the biggest questions that I get when people see me is, how many locks do I have? I have about 320-ish locks. The last time I did a lock count video for you guys, I had about 325 locks. And I know since then I've combined some locks. So I'm just gonna say 320-ish. But I will have an updated lock video for you guys. If that's something that you'll be interested in, just let me know down below and I can definitely get that out for you guys. The one question I get asked by almost everybody who sees my hair is, are these sister locks? No, these are not sister locks. These are Microlocs started with 2-strand twists. Now, if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video about the difference between sister locks and Microlocs, please let me know. I will definitely get that video out for you guys as well. And last, but certainly not least, one of the biggest questions that I get asked when people find out that I've started my own locks is, can I do their install? No ma'am, no sir, no. It took me 3 days on my own hair, and that was on my own time. That was me just chilling, doing what I wanted to do. Right now, I do not feel comfortable devoting so much time on doing someone else's hair. And plus, I really don't feel 100% comfortable in my skills as of yet to do them on someone else's hair. Now, I am planning on taking a class so that I can get, more professional advice on how to do Microlocs, sister locks, interlocks, and things like that. But as of right now, no, I do not feel comfortable doing someone else's Microlocs. Now with traditional locks, I've started my younger brothers and my older brothers traditional locks, and I love the way that those look. But as far as Microlocs go, no, I do not feel comfortable in doing Microlocs on someone else's hair at the moment. But stay tuned for that, because I definitely want to get that skill mastered, and then I will be able to actually do it on someone else. That's all I have for today's video, you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions for me regarding my locks, and if you like videos like this, I can definitely make some more for you guys, answering some of your questions. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.